Have you noticed your legs getting weaker after 60? Do you need to push off your knees to stand up? Or does climbing stairs feel like a major workout? Maybe you've even lost your balance while walking across the living room. Most people dismiss this as just a normal part of aging, but it's often the first sign of a condition called sarcopenia, or age-related muscle loss. It happens silently, without any pain or swelling, until one day you can't get up from a chair without help. But what if I told you that 3 essential vitamins, yes, just 3, have been shown to help restore leg strength, sometimes in just a few days? No heavy workouts or expensive therapy, just the right nutrients at the right time. In this video, you'll discover the 3 key vitamins every senior needs, how a deficiency can lead to weak and heavy legs, and how to combine them for rapid recovery, safely and effectively. This isn't just hearsay. It's backed by real research and clinical studies. So stick with me, because I'll also share a daily vitamin routine that most people overlook but works wonders. After 60, your body undergoes a slow but steady transformation. Your bones become more brittle, your circulation slows, and your muscles, especially in your legs, begin to shrink. The legs are usually the first to lose strength, and when that happens, even simple movements like standing up or walking become a challenge. According to the American Geriatric Society, adults over 60 can lose 1 to 3% of their muscle mass every year. That means in just 5 years, you could lose up to 15% of your leg strength without even realizing it. So why does this happen? There are 3 main reasons. Vitamin deficiencies. As we age, our stomachs produce less acid, and our gut absorbs nutrients less efficiently. This can lead to low levels of vitamins D, B12, and B1, all of which are essential for muscle contraction and nerve communication. Poor blood circulation. Slower circulation means your legs get less oxygen and fewer nutrients, resulting in heavy, tired legs and frequent cramping. Reduced physical activity. Many seniors walk less or avoid stairs, which causes leg muscles to weaken. And even with regular movement, without the right nutrients, your muscles can't rebuild properly. The good news is that by replenishing these 3 missing vitamins, your legs can regain strength and vitality. Did you know that vitamin D3 acts more like a master switch, reactivating your entire muscular, skeletal, and nervous system? The problem is, after the age of 60, your body becomes much less efficient at producing this vital nutrient. Your skin gets thinner, you spend less time in the sun, and your liver and kidneys, which are key players in converting vitamin D, start to slow down. As a result, your body begins to shut down essential systems. Your muscles become weak, your legs feel heavy, and your balance begins to falter, all because you're missing this one simple nutrient. Vitamin D3 helps your body absorb calcium, which is critical for strong bones, but it also ensures your muscle fibers contract properly, helps your nerves send signals smoothly, and prevents muscle loss. Without enough D3, your body is like an old machine, sluggish, underpowered, and unreliable. How to tell if you're lacking vitamin D3. Weak legs, especially when climbing stairs. Fatigue after standing or walking. Nighttime leg cramps. Poor balance when turning or stepping quickly. Deep aches in your hips, knees, or heels. What the science says. Researchers at the University of Birmingham studied seniors over 65 and found that after just 5 days of taking 800 IU of vitamin D3, participants showed an average 19% increase in leg strength. Another study from Harvard's Geriatric Research Center noted that older adults with low vitamin D3 had a 40% higher risk of falling. The message is clear. Vitamin D3 doesn't just protect your bones, it protects your independence. How much should you take? Experts recommend 800 to 1,000 IU per day for healthy adults over 60. For those with clear signs of weakness, 1,500 to 2,000 IU daily under medical supervision may be beneficial. Always take vitamin D3 in the morning or early afternoon with a meal that contains healthy fats like eggs, salmon, or olive oil for better absorption. Vitamin B12 is one of the most overlooked yet essential nutrients for anyone over 60. You might know it for its role in energy and memory, but B12 is also critical for how your brain communicates with your muscles, especially your legs. It keeps your nerves healthy, your movements coordinated, and your reflexes sharp. When B12 levels drop, The connection between your mind and your muscles becomes fuzzy, and the first signs often appear in your lower body. What happens when you're low on B12? Tingling, numbness, or burning in your feet. Weakness in your legs when standing or walking. A sense that your legs are asleep or not listening. Difficulty maintaining balance, even on flat ground. Why are seniors more likely to be deficient? There are two main reasons. Poor absorption due to less stomach acid and a limited diet, as B12 is found almost exclusively in animal products. What the science says: a study from Oxford University found that seniors with low B12 levels walked more slowly, had poorer balance, and were more than twice as likely to fall compared to those with normal levels. Vitamin B12 supports the myelin sheath, the protective coating around your nerves, which allows for fast, accurate signals from your brain to your muscles. It also helps with red blood cell formation, improving oxygen delivery to your muscle tissues. How much B12 should you take? For adults over 60, a daily dose of 500 to 1,000 micrograms of methylcobalamin is both safe and effective. Methylcobalamin is the active form of B12, which your body can use immediately without needing to convert it. It's best taken in the morning or with lunch, as it can be taken as a sublingual tablet, a chewable, or a spray. By now, you've learned how vitamin D3 strengthens your muscles and how B12 helps your nerves communicate with your legs. But there's one more piece to the puzzle: vitamin B1, also known as thiamine. If D3 turns the lights on and B12 connects the wires, then B1 supplies the electricity, the actual energy your muscles need to move. Without it, your muscles simply can't function. Thiamine plays a central role in energy metabolism, helping to convert the food you eat into usable energy called ADP. ADP is what powers every muscle contraction, every movement, and every breath. When B1 is low, your muscles fatigue quickly, feel heavy, and recover poorly. Signs that you may be low in vitamin B1. Legs feel weak or dead tired, even after minimal activity. Muscle cramps, especially in the calves or feet. A heavy, dragging sensation when walking. Feeling short of breath when climbing stairs. Why do seniors become B1 deficient? Decreased absorption, medication use, especially diuretics, alcohol consumption, and a poor diet can all contribute to low B1 levels. What does the research say? A study from Tokyo University found that over 30% of elderly adults had low B1 levels, and these individuals walked more slowly and reported frequent muscle fatigue. After B1 supplementation, most showed marked improvement in energy and walking distance. How much B1 do you need? While the recommended daily amount is small, for older adults with symptoms, 50 to 100 milligrams per day is safe and commonly recommended. It's a water-soluble vitamin, so any excess is safely flushed out. Take B1 in the morning with food to help boost your energy levels throughout the day. Now that you know how each of these vitamins supports your muscles, the next question is how to take them together for the best effect. The answer lies in timing and simplicity. Vitamin D3, best taken in the morning, right after a breakfast that contains healthy fats. Vitamin B12, works best around lunchtime or in the early afternoon. Avoid taking it with coffee or tea, which can block absorption. Vitamin B1, take it with your first meal of the day to support your energy levels. Here's a simple daily example. Breakfast: 1 boiled egg, a small bowl of Greek yogurt, 1 capsule of vitamin D3, and 1 tablet of vitamin B1. Lunch: grilled salmon or tofu with steamed vegetables, and 1 tablet or lozenge of vitamin B12. This setup gives your body the right nutrients at the right time in the right combination. Vitamins are powerful tools, but they must be used wisely. Here are a few important safety tips. Don't increase the dose on your own. More isn't always better and can sometimes cause harm. Watch out if you have liver or kidney problems. These organs are responsible for processing and clearing excess vitamins, so talk to your doctor before starting new supplements. Pay attention to subtle changes in how you feel, especially after starting a new vitamin. Get your blood levels checked if you're taking D3 or B12 long-term to ensure you're in a safe and effective range. If your legs have felt weak, heavy, or unreliable lately, it's not just age and it's not irreversible. We've seen how vitamin D3 strengthens your muscles and bones, vitamin B12 sharpens your nerves and balance, and vitamin B1 recharges your energy and endurance. Together, these 3 simple vitamins form a powerful trio that can help restore your confidence, your strength, and your ability to move freely again. But you have to take the first step, whether that's adding a morning supplement, checking your blood levels, or talking to your doctor. Action beats waiting every single time. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever tried any of these vitamins? Did you feel a difference in your strength, balance, or overall energy? Share your story in the comments, because the more we learn from each other, the stronger we become together. Thank you for watching. Take care of your body, nourish your legs, and keep moving forward, one strong step at a time.